Hello students, let us understand the one difference between molecularity and the order of reaction. Okay, so that is a molecularity of reaction from the chemical kinetics, and that is order of reaction we are going to understand. So there is the difference in the molecularity and order of reaction, student. Molecularity is number of moles, okay, and order is the sum of the power of concentration in the rate of reactions. So what they are saying, student, let us read out the slides, then better you will be able to understand. The number of atoms or ions or molecules participating in the rate determining steps in the reaction or activated complex of the reaction is called molecularity. Okay, so that is what they are saying, student. What is meaning of this? That is, suppose we are having that is 2Hi, so it is reacting and giving I2. So in the activated complex, what they are saying, in the rate determining step, this single step, this is the rate determining step. What is molecule? How many reactants are there, student? That is two reactants are there, two molecules. So if you are going to understand molecularity, so molecularity will be how much, student? That is two reactant here. But when you are talking about the order, student, order, they are saying, what is the order? The sum of the power of the concentration terms of the reactants in the rate equation is called the order of the reaction. So suppose the rate is there, student, for the any other reaction. If it is the rate is there like that, rate expression is there, student. Rate is equal to, they have given the k a power 1, a power suppose 2, and b power 1. So what is the order will be there? Order is equal to 2 plus r 1. The sum of the power of concentration term in the rate of reaction. So that is 2 plus 1. So order will be how much, student? That is 3. So that is what the molecularity and order of reaction. Next point, what they are saying, next point, molecularity is the always whole number or integer. It cannot be zero or the fractional. So anything you are taking, student, suppose N2 plus 3H2 is equal to, it is giving 2NH3. So molecularity, if you are going, student, how many molecules are there? 1 moles of N2 and 3 molecule of H2. So total is how much? 4. So they are saying that is, it can be always whole number, it can't be zero or the fractional. But when you are doing, order can becomes negative or fraction or whole number. Okay, order can become negative, fraction or whole number. Anything is possible, student. So if you are talking about the order, student, one order I am saying. So suppose one order is there, student, a, that is rate expression I am writing. Rate is given. How much rate is given, student? You, if you say, 1 second, student, let me write down. So student, you erase it out. It's not getting erased now. So student, if you are seeing, rate is given like that, rate. How much given? A power 3 by 2 and b power is there 1. So how b power 1. So what would be the order, student? Order. So order is the sum of power of constant 3 by 2 plus 1. So 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. So if you see, student, that is how much it will be there, student? 5 by 2. So that is coming 2.5. So it can be fractional number also, student. It can be fractional number. So order is also possible fractional, but rate will be, but molecularity cannot be fractional or zero. Next, third point, this is the theoretical elucidated from the mechanism of the reaction. So it is the molecularity is theoretical. This is determined experimentally. So order is the experimental, but molecular is experimental. Next one, molecularity does not exceed 3. So maximum molecularity of the reaction is always 3, student. If you are increasing more than 3, so this type of reaction never observed, student. Only 3 is observed where 3 molecule can be possible. Next one, order usually does not exceed 3. Order usually does not exceed 3. So order is also not exceeding 3 and molecular does not exceed 3. So both are there, they are both are not increasing. Order can increase, but usually do not increase, student. Usually, but it can increase. Thank you so much for watching, friends.